Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on Demand. We're out today in Woodstock, running around looking at some stuff. Today we're out seeing Lacey's house, and they may be getting this one ready for sale. So a couple things. This is actually OSB, and if you look at it closely, you're going to see the wrinkling. Can you see the wrinkling in the highlights here? It looks like a slightly different finish in what would have been wood. It's actually OSB. It's like cardboard. Never should be on the exterior of a house. And so this stuff will leave for an inspection report. We're not going to do the repair now. There's a few pieces of rot on the front of the house, so we'll go ahead and leave for an inspector. On the back of the house, she's been getting our friends, the woodpeckers. You know, and it's one of those things where no good deed goes unpunished, right? So she's got these bird feeders out here. I've never seen or heard of a big woodpecker eating out of a bird feeder like those right there, but they are. And so back here on the chimney, they've heard some insect activity. This particular siding on this house is one that I'm not familiar with. It's a Nichihana type product. It's 5 layers of concrete, and I'll show you how you can see that in a minute. But on the left and right sides here, the left side is actually not too bad. They didn't quite do that kick out flashing correctly, but on the center of this chimney up here, you can see where the woodpecker's gotten in there. And the reason he got in there is we think there's some insect activity in that corner board. So she's got 6 rows up there that need to be replaced. The siding's delaminating. And so when you come around to the side over here, I don't know how well the video is going to show it, but see the bottom edge of the siding right here? Let's see if I can get in here a little better. If you look close, you'll see 5 distinct lines. It's 5 layers of siding up in this area. So there's no kick out flashing in this gutter, and all the water's been pouring through here. So she's got 5 or 6 rows right here that need to be replaced. And then what's on the front, I'm gonna have to try and find this stuff. I'm not used to this reveal. So we'll have to do a little research on it. It's about 23 years old, this siding. I don't think Nichi's that old, it's close. But we'll find it, replace it. And then we'll actually, we'll replace these corner boards right here too, just because they got horizontal cuts and they're trapping water. And they're getting some water down below here on this side over here. And it's really because the deck below here was never flashed. And so the water's coming down off that gutter and kicking through. And she's getting so much splash. The gutters are clogged, so we need to clean them. This center right here is rotted too. So we'll just cut it out, make an angle cut, back prime the trim and go. Her siding's in great shape. She doesn't need to repaint the siding. We'll just repaint what we replace here. But you can see how even the downspout up here, that outlet's clogged as well. So we'll come back, fix what we can for her, put her in good shape, go ahead and get her set up for sale. We can come back later and put a coat of stain on this deck and put 1 coat of trim on the paint. Here, listen to me, I'm so tired. 1 coat of paint on the trim on the exterior. The siding looks good. We'll hand paint that stuff, and this house will look great. This neighborhood up here, it'll sell fast. So my brother and I, it's hard to believe, 26 years doing this stuff. Unreal. But we do everything: painting, carpentry, kitchen and bath upgrades, remodels, any kind of handyman work. Just be patient with us. That's the #1 complaint that we get with this business, is they called us and we didn't come out. It's really hard for us to keep up. That's the only thing. But once you're with us, we're a family business. We'll come out and help you any way that we can. 770-912-2829 is the office number. Sometimes you can catch me at 770-265-9017. As you're hiring contractors, look for guys that have labeled vehicles, labeled shirts. They've been in business for at least 5 years. They got a business card, they got a website, they have a commercial location somewhere, and they accept credit cards. If you don't, in Metro Atlanta, you're asking for trouble, unless you know them personally. Take care, see you at the next house. Bye for now.